The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and your local authorities. Reports have come in, claiming that a strange phenomena is taking place all around the nation around 3 a.m. this morning. Some claim to see horrifying figures roaming the streets, while others claim to hear inhuman voices around their home. Right now, this is an isolated incident. If you see or hear anything out of the ordinary, call your local police department, or call 911. Please stay tuned to all stations for any and all updates. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The 911 telephone line is down due to several 911 calls which overrided the system. If you have a life-threatening emergency, call your local police department immediately. Do not call 911 as it is out of service at the moment. Technicians are working on the problem at hand. Please stay tuned to the station for any and all further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Several people have been reported missing around 3:25 a.m. If someone you know is missing, please go to your local police department to fill out a missing persons report. It is speculated that those creatures from earlier have kidnapped them. These people are assumed to be in complete danger. If you find these people, don't call out their name or get their attention, as the creatures could be using them to lure you into their trap. Call your local police station immediately. Please stay tuned to the station for any and all updates on this developing situation. The emergency alert system has been activated. Everything is fine, everything is fine. There is no need to search for them. They are safe with us. Eas the fierce is the singeth hier by now, singeth hier by. The fierce is the now, singeth hier by now, singeth hier by.